Hey everyone, it's attorney Bianca Jordan from brazenlegal.com. Thanks so much for watching this video. Please be sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next one. Today's video is a really quick explanation. I've been getting a lot of questions about this issue, and it has to do with traveling on advanced parole and coming back into the United States and whether that counts as a lawful entry. And I've been getting this question a lot lately because a couple months ago, there was a court that decided that if you're traveling on advanced parole and you have TPS, when you come back in the country, it does not count as a lawful entry. So if you came to the United States undocumented and then you got TPS, and then with TPS, you got advanced parole and traveled in and out of the country with it, if you did so before August 20th of 2020, that counts as a lawful entry. And that's important for people who might want to adjust their status, which means they want to apply for a green card in the United States without leaving. So those people who traveled on advanced parole prior to August 20th, 2020 are still able to do so, whether they're applying for a green card now or they did it in the past. But people with TPS who were to travel after August 20th, 2020. So, for example, let's say you applied for TPS and you didn't get it until today and then you travel tomorrow, or you traveled on advanced parole on August 21st and then came back. Those do not count as a lawful entry when you come back. So if you came to the US undocumented and then you traveled on advanced parole after August 20th, that will no longer count as a lawful entry. So if you qualified for a green card through an immediate relative, for example, your US citizen husband or wife, you would not be able to adjust your status, which means that you would have to go through consular processing to get your green card. The question that I've been getting the most since then is, does that apply to people that have DACA? It does not. That particular case was only for people that have TPS, and USCIS adopted that case formally on August 31st. And then last week, it updated its policy manual to state that for people that have TPS who first entered the country undocumented and are traveling on advanced parole on or after August 20th, it will no longer count as a lawful entry. But if they traveled prior to August 20th, it will count as a lawful entry, and they will be able to adjust their status. But it does not have anything to do with people that have DACA. So if you have DACA and you traveled on advanced parole on or after August 20th, 2020, that still counts as a lawful entry for you, at least as of the date of this video, because again, that case was only dealing with people that have TPS. So if you have DACA, you can still apply for advanced parole. However, over the summer, this administration did say that it would be issuing advanced parole on a case-by-case basis because, as we know, the government does not want to make it easy for people to be able to get a green card. So it's really only approving it in like life or death situations. So again, if you have DACA, regardless of when you traveled on advanced parole, that still counts as a lawful entry. But if you have temporary protected status for any country and you entered the United States undocumented before you got TPS, if you got advanced parole and you traveled before August 20th, 2020, you're fine. That counts as a lawful entry. You can still adjust your status. But if you travel on advanced parole on or after August 20th, 2020, and you have TPS, when you come back, it will not count as a lawful entry. So you will have to go through consular processing. I hope you found this video helpful. Please visit brazenlegal.com to learn more about me, my law firm, and how I can help you with your immigration journey. And please don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching.